Welcome back to class. Today I'm going to be teaching you cathodes and anodes. Now, in simple terms, an electrode is a conductor that helps in establishing electrical contact with a non-metallic part of the circuit. Electrode consists of two main points known as the cathode and anode, which basically describe the flow of current. Let us understand what cathode and anode exactly mean. They are both defined by the flow of current. Therefore, a cathode is an electrode from which the current exits a polarized electrical device. Likewise, an anode is an electrode from which a current enters into a polarized electrical device. The terms were finalized in 1834 by William Whewell, who adapted the words from the Greek word kathodos, descent or way down. William had consulted with Michael Faraday in the coining of the name. When we talk about cathode in physics, it is said to be the electrode where reduction occurs. This is common in an electrochemical cell. Here, the cathode is negative as the electrical energy that is supplied to the cell results in the decomposition of chemical compounds. However, it can also be positive, as in the case of galvanic cell, where a chemical reaction leads to the generation of electrical energy. In addition, a cathode is said to be either a hot cathode or a cold cathode. A cathode which is heated in the presence of a filament to emit electrons by thermionic emission is known as a hot cathode, whereas cold cathodes are not heated by any filament. A cathode is usually flagged as cold if it emits more electrons compared to the ones generated by thermionic emission alone. In the most basic form, an anode in electrochemistry is the point where an oxidation reaction occurs. Generally, at an anode, negative ions or anions, due to its electrical potential, tend to react and give off electrons. These electrons then move up and into the driving circuit. If we take a galvanic cell, the anode is negative in nature and the electron mostly moves towards the external part of the circuit. In an electrolytic cell, it is again positive. Additionally, an anode can be a plate or wire having excess positive charge. In summary, the cathode is the negative electrode at which the electron enters and current leaves the electrolyte, while the anode is the positive electrode at which electrons leave and current enters the electrolyte. I'll see you in the next class.